In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update USB drivers on Windows 11. Start by right-clicking the Start button in the center of the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. In the menu that appears, click Device Manager. A new window will open, and this shows the hardware categories for your PC. Scroll down through the list until you find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. This is usually near the bottom, often the last option in the list. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the section. You'll now see a list of USB-related entries, including items such as USB root hub, USB composite device, and other similar controller or device names. Right-click one of the USB entries, then click Update Driver. In the next window, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check for the latest available driver for that device. When the search finishes, you'll either see a message saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, or you'll get a prompt to install an updated driver. Click Close to exit that window. If needed, repeat the same process for the other USB entries listed in that section, one at a time. Next, click the Start button in the center of the taskbar again. Then click Settings. In the Settings window, click Windows Update from the left sidebar. At the top right, click Check for Updates. Windows will scan your system for any available updates, including driver-related updates, that may be available through Windows Update. Wait for the scan to complete. After that, click Advanced Options. Scroll down until you reach the Additional Options section, then click Optional Updates. If you see a Driver Updates section, click it to expand the list of available driver updates. Check the box next to any available USB or other driver updates listed there. Then click Download and Install at the top of the list. Windows will download the selected drivers and install them automatically. At this point, your USB drivers are updated through both Device Manager and Windows Update. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If Windows asks you to restart your PC, go ahead and restart so the changes can be fully applied. Once that's done, your system will be using the latest available USB controller drivers and any optional driver updates that were found through Windows Update.